In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Maps style with AI. By the end, you'll be able to generate clean, modern map style visuals that look great in presentations, UI mockups, and design concepts. First, choose an AI image generator. Any high quality model that handles flat graphic design works well. What matters most is control. Make sure you can set aspect ratio, resolution, and ideally a seed so you can reproduce results. If your tool supports negative prompts and style strength or guidance scale, even better. Those settings help you steer the output toward a crisp map-like look. Next, define the map style clearly before you write anything. Decide whether you want a top-down 2D look with no perspective, a minimal color palette, and thin road lines. Note your key layers: highways, main roads, local streets, parks, water, and land. Think through label density and font vibe. Light, sans serif labels in neutral grey often feel clean and familiar. Choose whether you want terrain, shadows, or none at all. The clearer your visual decisions, the better your result. Now write a precise prompt. Describe the view as top-down, 2D, and vector style. Specify a light, modern palette, thin, well-separated road hierarchies, green parks, blue waterways, and a neutral background. Ask for clean, legible labels, or if you'll add your own later, request a blank map with space reserved for labels. Add no buildings, no 3D, no perspective, no terrain shading to keep it flat. Include aspect ratio and high resolution. If available, set a seed so you can iterate consistently. Generate the image and evaluate it against your goals. Look for line thickness, color contrast, label clarity, and whether different road types are easy to tell apart. If your map feels noisy, dial back textures and reduce label density. If it looks empty, allow slightly bolder lines or richer color accents. Refine the image if needed by tightening the prompt. Name exact colors such as pale grey roads, muted green parks, and soft blue water. Call out hierarchy: thickest lines for highways, medium for arterials, thin for local streets. If labels collide, ask for fewer labels or larger spacing. If edges are messy, generate a slightly larger canvas and crop. You can also upscale for sharper lines. Regenerate until it matches the desired look. Make one change at a time, keep your seed for structure, and adjust style strength or guidance to balance creativity and control. When it matches your vision, export at the size you need and you're done.